What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Jones back at another video. And we got...
Look at you, son!
Well, we had it, K&A.
It fell underneath the car.
What did?
Yes, it did.
So first things first, there's a flathead screw right there, right there, right there. And those are the only screws you really need to take off. And maybe this one. Just gonna pry it open and then replace the filter right here.
Tell a bad bitch, girl, let's go hang. You know me, Rolex, go chain. Fuck my young niggas, that's so gang. Get so drunk, you forget your name. Incense, burning. Smoking out to my own shit. Got black wood in my white range. I'm taking off when that light change. I'm Drizzy Drake to my old bitches. Voodoo child to my new hoes. I miss this and I want it back, so I'm all in with these new flows. New flows, got new flows. Rapping stress, but it pays great.